Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. And this is our evening time, drive time update. We got lots of news coming in. We're seeing that Bitcoin is still trying to get itself above $38,000. And, we're seeing that the IMF is warning that this whole, situation in Russia and Ukraine is going to create hyperinflation. And, we're seeing that hyperinflation could be a realistic thing that's going to happen in the not too distant future. So if hyperinflation does happen, what does that mean for crypto space? I think that people will realize that crypto is going to be the only hedge against inflation, and that is going to be huge for crypto. Right now we're seeing that, the market makers in the house, they are really just kind of, playing with us, playing with you, and crypto is just kind of going sideways right now. And, the market makers, they're going to push Bitcoin either up or down based on the leverage positions that have unfolded. We're seeing that right now that MasterCard, Visa card have stopped all relationship with Russia, and that's why Russia is going to Union Pay right now. And, so what should you be doing? You should be doing absolutely nothing. And I've told everybody, don't be buying the dips. Absolutely do not be buying the dips, guys. Just hold and see and wait and see how this whole market is going to unfold itself, because we never know what's going to happen. So what I'm doing is I'm not doing anything. I'm even going to not do my dollar cost averaging that I do on Thursday. So I'm just putting that on hold. And let's see how Bitcoin fares. We're seeing that Dogecoin also is just kind of going down a little bit and also going sideways. So we're just seeing a lot of consolidation. Some people are saying that we could see $50,000 coming in for March. Other people are saying no, that the bottom is not in, and we could be going down to 32,000. We did see that Bitcoin did go below 38,000 today, and it could go down. And one of the key areas to be watching is the minor capitulation line at $21,000. So I'm not panicking, but I'm getting worried that we could continue to see things going down. I mean, if on a short-term basis, sure, this is pretty bad news if you're trading on shorter time frames. But if you're like me, who's just investing for long-term and I can wait to 2025, so then absolutely I'm going to be doing that. Absolutely I'm going to be doing that. I'll wait to 2025, and I'm not going to be worried about that. So we're seeing that, a lot of the news is not positive out there. We're seeing a lot of negativity, a lot of FUD. I talked about how Shell kind of circumvented the sanctions, and they went and bought a whole bunch of oil from Russia, and they were not supposed to do that. But Shell has often been a very corrupt company. They've often done things that they shouldn't be doing. So, from that perspective, hopefully somebody will take notice of that and smack them with some sanctions. And I think this whole Putin-Ukraine crisis is going to, resolve itself. And basically the bottom line is that, Russia doesn't want to have Ukraine in NATO. And I think if Ukraine agrees not to apply for NATO, then they're going to just pull out again. So I think that's what's going on with that. And hopefully this will resolve itself. Don't forget, we got the CPI data coming out on Thursday as well. And, depending on how that unfolds, that could add some volatility, as I said earlier in my previous video. So hopefully it comes out better. But, with the crisis in Ukraine happening, I absolutely don't think it's going to be better. It's going to be worse. And that's going to push Bitcoin price down. And, we could easily be seeing a $34,000 Bitcoin coming in anytime soon. We could even see Dogecoin going below 10 cents. So I'm a little bit concerned about that we could be seeing things go down. I'm pretty much willing to, write off March as just being a whole Debbie Downer situation. So hopefully things will, come on back and things will, get better. And, we also saw Andre had left DeFi space. He's leaving, and that's how we saw Phantom, Yearn Finance, Curve Finance, and some of the other finance indexes out there also did a big tankety-tang and dropped as well. So, there's not really a lot of positive news. We got some the news that, we're still seeing VCs are still aping into crypto. We saw that, the amount of VCs actually putting capital into blockchain technology has increased over time. So that is good from that perspective. But overall, we're, any positive news is being kind of undershadowed by all this negativity that we're seeing in Russia and Ukraine crisis. So, and also we got this executive Biden order there as well that's going to be coming as well. So that's also put a lot of jitters in the market, and that's why we're seeing Bitcoin and the other cryptos going down. But you guys have to remember that fundamentally crypto is still good. Nothing has changed. The projects are still ongoing, absolutely ongoing in the house. And so that's why you need to stay positive, because the technology is still good. The technology hasn't changed. and things are still looking good from that perspective. But you know, there's nothing really happening. The whole hype has died down. The retail investors in the house, they have also left town as well. They've absolutely left town, and you know, they're sitting on the sidelines, and a lot of people are really panic sold right now. But you know, some of the other positive stuff that we're seeing, you know, is that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is going down, down, and it's being bought up by whales, institutions. We're seeing a lot of retail investors are actually selling their Bitcoin because they think this is the end of the crypto, and that crypto is going down. We're entering into a huge crypto winter. You know, I don't think so. I think that, you know, there's going to be peaks and valleys. There's going to be absolute volatility out there, but I still believe that there's a lot of goodness coming out in crypto. We got metaverse, we got gaming, you know, we got Web3 that's still coming, and a lot of institutions have actually aped into Web3, and they're hoping this will be, you know, the huge bright future with metaverse and gaming. So I'm also thinking that is going to be true, and I think that, you know, 2022 is going to be the year of Web3 and crypto metaverse. And don't forget, for, you know, the Dogecoin holders out there, we still got a lot of huge Dogecoin news out there. And a lot of that Dogecoin news out there is that, you know, we've still got, you know, Elon Musk, Doge 1 to the moon, which is actually still going to be happening, and that's just a matter of time before that absolutely comes, and that's going to be a huge catalyst for Dogecoin. We still got the Ethereum 2.0 bridge that's going to be happening as well. That's also another huge catalyst as well that's going to be coming out soon. So hopefully this will help the Doge community, and it'll help propel the Doge to higher highs. And you know, we also have this you know, iOS custodian wallet that also came out for Doge as well. So that is good news, but it's also being overshadowed by all of this geopolitical stuff that's happening, and that is not good. That's not been good. And you know, what can I say? You know, my advice to all of you is do absolutely nothing. Once again, if you're in huge profits, if you're absolutely in huge profit, take those profits right now and put those coins on the sidelines, and you know, just take it easy out there, and stop psyching yourself out. Start looking at your portfolios, because you're only going to be seeing that you know, the assets you're holding are going to be going down. Remember, that's unrealized losses because you haven't sold anything, so you still have the same bags of coins that you had when you first started. So that's important to understand. That absolutely do nothing. Sell only if you're in profit, guys. Never sell at a loss. And you know, it's an absolute great time to be alive. And you know, I'm here at the beach here in Da Nang. It's around about 30 degrees Celsius. We got people on the beach, and it's a great time to be alive. And you know, hopefully that this whole Ukraine crisis will absolutely end soon, and that the markets will absolutely recover. So I'm hoping it's going to recover. You're hoping it's going to recover. I think it absolutely will. It's just a matter of time before that happens, and it will happen sooner or later. And you know, so hopefully I don't have better news for you, but you know, the $38,000 level for Bitcoin, you know, needs to hold. Otherwise, we could be going down to $36,000 in the house, and that is not good. So guys, if you love this channel like I love you guys, please go out there and you know, smash the likes, subscribe UIV. Don't forget to go down there, check out the merch, guys. We got lots of merch. And don't forget to go over to the Wi-Fi Wi-Fi channel, Zen Music Addict in the house. Go over and get that. You want it, I want it. And go over there and subscribe, show some love. And if you're watching on the live stream, don't forget to show some love and support with the channel. And support us with super chats. I would appreciate that. So guys, I just want to say God bless you. I know things are not looking so perfect for crypto right now. I think, you know, things are looking not so hot, not so wonderful out there. But, you know, overall, we will get through this together as a community, as a loving community, as a God-fearing community. And hopefully that crypto will show us the promised land soon. And that in the summer and April, we will see things absolutely, you know, getting higher and going to the moon. So, you know, I'm still pretty positive about the Doge. I love the Doge. You love the Doge. And I think that Doge is going to be the one and only coin that's going to be, you know, looking good in 2022. We still have all these catalysts coming out. I keep telling you that. So it's just a matter of time, ladies and gentlemen. So go down there, smash the likes like never before. Smashy, smashy, smashy. And if you don't know what a like looks like, it looks like something like this. So go down there, smash the likes. Check out all the linkies. They're all here. And, you know, buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member. Check out the merch. The links are down there too. And if you have time, go over to OpenCIO. Check out the NFT collections, because I think the NFTs are going to be huge out there as well. So, you know, remember, metaverse, gaming out there, Web3 is coming. It's just a matter of time. And, you know, crypto's not looking too good, but hold on to the fort, do absolutely nothing, never sell a loss. If you're in profits, take your profits right now, because we could see more volatility and crypto absolutely going down, down. So I'm hoping by the end of March, this whole Ukrainian Russian conflict will be over. I mean, I'm hoping it's going to be over. It should be over. We still don't know. Nobody really knows what Putin wants out there, and that's what's scary. That is why, you know, people are really jittery right now, because nobody really knows what Mr. Putin wants. He hasn't made it clear to anyone what he wants in the house. So with that being said, God bless each and every one of you. I want to say I love you guys, and I just want to say I'm working for you. This channel wouldn't be possible. This is the Ric Flair of crypto in-house saying I love it. Woo, let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, show some love in the house. You want it, I want it. Let's get it right now. I love it, you love it. Smash the likes, guys. You love it.